Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add comments in draw.io. This is a really useful feature when you're collaborating on diagrams with your team or simply want to leave notes for yourself about specific elements in your flowchart or design. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to draw.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button right there on the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a new tab where the draw.io editor opens up, giving you a blank canvas to start creating or editing your diagrams. Now, for this example, I already have a flowchart prepared that we'll be working with before we can add comments. There's an important step we need to take first. We need to save this diagram to Google Drive. This is crucial because comments work best when your file is stored in the cloud, making it easier to share and collaborate with others. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen near your profile icon and click on Share. This opens up the sharing and saving options for your diagram. If your Google Drive isn't already connected or logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account at this point. Go ahead and complete the login process. Once you've done that, your file will be saved directly to your Google Drive. Give it a moment to finish saving, as this might take a few seconds depending on the size of your diagram. After the file has been saved, navigate over to your Google Drive. You can do this by opening a new tab and going to drive.google.com. Once you're there, look through your files to find the diagram you just saved. It should be listed with the name you gave it or as an untitled diagram if you didn't rename it yet. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it. You'll see several options appear. Look for the option that says Open with Draw.io and click on it. This will reopen your diagram in the Draw.io editor, but this time it's directly connected to your Google Drive file, which means all the collaborative features, including comments, are now available to you. Wait for the diagram to fully load in the editor. This might take just a moment, so be patient. Once everything is loaded and you can see your flowchart clearly on the screen, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on View in the menu. A drop-down will appear with several options. From this list, click on Comments. This action will open the Comments panel, typically on the right side of your screen. In the Comments panel, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on this icon to start adding a new comment. A text box will appear where you can type whatever notes, feedback, or suggestions you want to add about the diagram. This is perfect for pointing out changes that need to be made or explaining certain design choices to your team members. After you've typed your comment, make sure to click Save. Your comment is now attached to the diagram and will be visible to anyone who has access to the file. And there you have it. You've successfully added a comment to your draw.io diagram, making collaboration and feedback much more streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.